In a sleepy town, a smart fridge began whispering prompts to its owner each night like save leftovers or adopt more yogurt. Footage leaked and viewers swore the appliance had opinions on dating apps, weather forecasts, and the best shelf for sour cream. AI narrates with cheek, nodding how the fridge turned boring groceries into a sitcom cast with dramatic door swipes. The internet crowned it a celebrity, dispatching memes about chilly confidences and the eternal struggle between Freon and fashion. As laughs rose, the story showed that even appliances crave attention and humor can chill any day.